Good day everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we're making crispy air fryer chicken. Tender and juicy on the inside with a light crunch and a glaze that's sweet, salty, and just a touch of spice. It's an incredibly delicious snack or a side dish you can whip up anytime. Check the video description below for the full list of ingredients. First, mince 5 cloves of garlic and a small knob of ginger root, about 6 grams. Garlic and ginger are flavor powerhouses. Not only do they add bold taste, they've been used in traditional medicine for centuries for their anti-inflammatory and bacterial properties. Set it aside for later. Now let's prep the chicken. You need 500 grams of boneless chicken thighs or breasts, cut into bite-sized pieces. Smaller pieces will cook faster and more evenly. Marinate the chicken with half of your garlic and ginger. Mix it well so every piece is evenly coated. Next, add the marinade ingredients. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half tablespoon of soy sauce, just regular soy sauce, half tablespoon of cooking wine. Give it a good mix. Now add 1 egg white, mix it thoroughly and let it marinate for 30 minutes. Egg white helps tenderize the chicken and also acts as a binder so the coating sticks together, a classic technique in Chinese cooking called velveting. Now let's make our glaze. In a small bowl, combine the glaze ingredients. 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of Siracha. Give it a good stir. Dark soy sauce isn't just saltier, it's aged longer and thicker, giving dishes a beautiful color and deep, slightly sweet flavor. Now in another bowl, combine your dry ingredients for coating. 60 grams or about half a cup of all-purpose flour, 20 grams or 2 tablespoons of tapioca starch, 35 grams or 1/3 cup of rice flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix everything well. Combining tapioca, starch, and rice flour gives that light, crispy crunch. It's a trick often used in Korean and Japanese style fried chicken. Once the chicken has marinated for 30 minutes, coat each piece in the flour mix and place it on a plate. Lightly brush your air fryer basket or tray with vegetable oil to prevent sticking. Lay the chicken in a single layer for even cooking. Now brush another layer of oil on top to help with the crispiness. Preheat your air fryer to 400 F or about 200 C. Air fry for 12 minutes on one side. Flip each piece, brush again with oil, and cook for another 12 minutes. Air frying uses up to 80% less oil than deep frying. You get all the crunch without the grease. Now let's make our delicious glaze. In a pan over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and the remaining garlic and ginger. Stir for about a minute until aromatic. Pour in the sauce you made earlier and stir for about a minute. Now add a slurry mixture. That's 1 teaspoon cornstarch mixed with 50 ml of cold water to help thicken the glaze. When it starts to bubble and thicken slightly, add the air-fried chicken and toss gently until every piece is glazed to perfection. And there you have it, air fryer chicken with a sweet and savory glaze. Every bite gives you a light crunch followed by juicy, tender chicken and a burst of bold flavor. It's perfect as a snack, appetizer, or even part of a main dish. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more fun and tasty recipes. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now, and happy cooking.